Hey everyone and welcome. So I finally got a Cricut. I'm so excited for this video and so excited to share with you guys what I got and unbox it. I'm so excited to bring this whole Cricut world into my channel, or onto my channel I should say. I have been crafting for a long time without anything like this, anything fancy. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know I do a lot of freehand stuff. This is gonna take it to a whole nother level. If you guys have a Cricut of your own, let me know down in the comments below which one you guys have. Let me know some of your favorite projects to do. I am kind of overwhelmed right now with so many things that I want to try, and I'm just ready to get started. So a little story time here. If you guys don't want to hear the whole story, the saga, I'll put a timestamp when you can fast forward to the actual unboxing. But I gotta tell you, the whole process of me getting this beautiful Cricut over here, it was not easy. Let me just tell you. So it was Thanksgiving Day, 2020. And my husband, we were just kind of talking about Christmas, and we don't usually buy each other gifts. Well, we usually say we're not going to, and then he usually ends up getting me something anyways. But we usually just get stuff for the kids. So this year he's like, started talking about a Cricut. And I've had that in my mind for a while. I kind of wanted to get one for Christmas, but they're very expensive. It's quite an investment. So I hadn't really thought much of it, you know, so he mentioned it and I was like, well, my friend told me that Costco has a really awesome bundle right now. So we went on Costco's website and it's normally $3.79. You get the Cricut Maker and then you get a bunch of other stuff. Well, on that day only, because it was the day, you know, Thanksgiving Day, Black Friday, it was $3.29. So I was like, $3.29 is a steal, because these things are, these things are well over $300 by themselves, I think, not on sale, maybe even closer to $400. So we ordered it. We ordered 2 other items with it. He needed some stuff for the house. And I was like, okay, I don't care when it comes. Like, I'm just so excited. Well, then a few days went on and I was like, oh, I really wish I would get that soon because I want to make some Christmas gifts with it. Well, long story short, it was supposed to come like 5 days later, and I'm tracking it all day, and UPS, and I'm tracking it, and the time kept changing, and you know how when you're impatient waiting for something, like I kept looking, and 7:30 rolled around, and I heard UPS out there, and I was like, yes, it's here. So I go out there, and there's one box, and I bring the box in. My Cricut is not in there. It was just my husband's camera stuff, and I was like, no. So I went back on the website. It said it was gonna come the following day. So I was like, okay, I can live with that, that's fine. So the next day came and went, no Cricut. But the tracking was weird. Like, it just kind of disappeared. And so I was like, all right, we'll give it a few days. Well, then that Friday, our other package came from Costco and no Cricut. And I was like, okay, what's going on here, you know? So we called, I think we called UPS, because on the tracking it said that Costco had given it to UPS, so basically it was kind of like their problem now. So we called and spoke with someone, and the lady said, she's like, it's showing that it's in their warehouse somewhere, but we didn't know where. So basically it was lost. So she told us, she's like, why don't you file a claim? It could take 1 to 8 days. So I was like, all right, whatever. Because at this point, I couldn't just like call Costco and say, hey, I didn't get it, send me another one, because they were sold out. They are sold out pretty much everywhere. Like, the bundles are gone. Yeah, a few more days went by. I hadn't heard anything. So finally I called Costco. I was like, hey, what are you guys seeing on your end? And she's like, well, it's showing that, you know, UPS has it. Let me give them a call. So you want to know what UPS told Costco? They said they never got the package. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you got to be kidding. Because worst case scenario is that they lost it. I can't get another one. Like, yeah, I could get another Cricut somewhere else, but it's not going to come with all the fun stuff. So the lady with Costco was so sweet. Like, we literally were on the phone for like 45 minutes. She tried calling their vendor. We could not find anything out. And then we got disconnected. I asked my husband, I said, can we just go to Michael's and buy one? Because at this point, I'm like, I just want to start making Christmas presents. So we went out to Michael's, and we had to drive pretty far away because all the Michael's by me, they're sold out. Like I said, they're sold out everywhere. We spent $100 more than Costco and got pretty much the same stuff. So the unboxing is going to be the Cricut that I got from Michael's, and then all of the stuff that I bought from Michael's. But guess what, guys? About 3 days after I bought that Cricut, guess what showed up on my doorstep? The Costco Cricut. So I was very relieved because I wanted all the stuff, all the goodies that came with that. So we're gonna return the one to Michael's. I am gonna keep all the stuff that I bought to go with it at Michael's, and I'm just gonna return the actual Cricut because I didn't use it. So I'm gonna go through and show you guys, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm going to show you the Michael's haul, and then I'm going to show you what all came in the Costco bundle. Not that it makes a difference because that bundle is gone, and I don't know if they're going to get it again. That is such a smoking deal, like $3.29 for a bunch of fun stuff. So, and then if you guys haven't noticed, I've started to set up my little Cricut area. I got the pegboard and everything. And yeah, I can't wait to show you all of the vinyls that came in the Costco bundle. Like, it's crazy. So, all right, let's get into this. I'm really sorry about that long intro. All right, when you open up the box, the first thing I see is a little let's get started box. There is 3 different books in there, like directions, I guess you could say, or little welcome books. 3 different languages. And then in this little envelope, there's a couple pieces of cardstock for kind of to do like a little test project, just to kind of practice with it. And then there is the other cutting tool, I want to say that little tool is. And then there's also the plug that you can plug into your computer if you don't want to do Bluetooth. Also this fine tip pen, and then this lid that I looked at for way too long trying to figure out what the heck it was. And then dun dun dun, it's the actual Cricut. It was wrapped up. I felt like I was opening a Gucci bag or something. This was so exciting. So once I got all the wrapping off, like, it is so pretty. This is the one in the champagne color, and I just love it. So, sorry, I'm kind of sitting at a weird angle when I was unboxing this, but so yeah, I love how it has that little part right there where you can put a bunch of tools and stuff in there. I just kind of keep the extra tips and everything in there, and it's just so pretty. I love this thing. Then here's just the power cord that you plug into the wall. And then the other things that came with it, you get 2 mats. So you're going to get the light grip and then the fabric grip mat. And I still need to get a regular grip because I feel like I need that. The light is sometimes too light, but I need to look into those. If you guys know of any good deals on these, let me know. So that's everything that comes with the actual Cricut. This little set I bought separately at Michael's. I want to say it was $27, but it comes with everything you need, like all the tools. And then this I found on clearance. It's for the Cricut Joy, but you can still use it. It was like $3. And it's just like a glitter iron-on, and I thought it was so pretty. And then we found this in the clearance as well. This is just a pink iron-on that we're going to use for my husband's company logo. And then I picked up this pretty little foil kit. It has like 5 different colors of the foils. I did pick up some of the transfer tape, and then of course some black vinyl because, I mean, you always need black vinyl. And then I grabbed this little stylus. I figured this would be good for scoring, and I had seen videos that people recommended getting that. All right, so these are some of the papers that came in the Costco bundle. These are really cool. They're just cardstock, and I think their intentions were to kind of have this stuff to make Christmas presents. They're double-sided, and they're just real, you know I love me some buffalo plaid. I love that design. But they're just really cute. So I might try to make some Christmas cards with these. Yeah, those are super cute. With this little fine debossing tip. Don't even know what this is for. You guys, I am such a newbie. Like, I have no idea. If you guys have any tips or tricks, please let me know in the comments. I've dabbled around with it a little bit, but it's going to take me some time to learn. And then it came with this little everyday iron-on bundle, 3-pack. Yeah, so those colors were really pretty. It did come with one of these. It came with a pen pack. I don't know. I think it came with like these regular ones and then like a sparkle gel pen. And then my husband when he took the Michael's Cricut back, he bought some of these like silver and gold. Can you see those? Yeah, he bought some of these silver and gold markers to use with it. And so I think I'm set with some markers. This all came with the Costco bundle. It is literally every color of vinyl you can imagine. It's just sheets of it, but I thought that it would be stored really cute in here, so I just kind of rolled them all up and taped them. But I mean, yeah, it literally has every single color. I don't need to go buy vinyls for quite some time. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you are fans of Cricut. I'm so excited to be like a part of this community now. I joined a Facebook page and I'm learning a lot from that, but please let me know any tips and tricks that you know about, any ideas that you have, anything you would like to see. My plan is to maybe try to do like a Cricut video once a week, just in addition to all my other stuff. I hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.